So you are a priestess of Obatala. Can you tell us about Obatala?
Obatala is the oldest of all the Orishas, all the deities. Obatala is the oldest and is in charge of creativity. And Obatala is for purity and sanity. So his whiteness, his love for whiteness simplifies purity and sanity. And Obatala has oldest of all the Orisha, is very, very, very patient and with lot of endurance that we say in one of the Oriki that Suru Odiobino Baba Aromela, that he hardly gets angry. So because of his position, and another name for him is Babarubo. Babarubo means, when the most elderly person, they are called Harubo. So another name for him is Babarubo. And also Obatala has different dimensions all over. On Ile-Ife, Obatala, the dimension of Obatala, but in general is for purity and sanity.
Okay, and now there is a Orisha for money. What is the name of that Orisha?
The Orisha for money, wealth, and prosperity is called AJE.
And can you tell us a story about AJE?
Yeah, AJE is a vital Orisha, because without AJE, it's hard to do anything. So AJE is very important. Like the AJE, when AJE died, that they couldn't, AJE was in pieces and they got all parts of the body, but they couldn't find the head. So till today, everyone is looking for the head of AJE. So that is why people are struggling for money and this, but AJE is in charge of money, wealth, and prosperity.
And can you tell us some of the things that you can offer? What are normal offerings for the AJE?
And the normal offering for AJE is banana. AJE likes to eat the flesh of banana, egg, and pigeon, and all other stuff, including different kinds of animal. But banana, flesh of banana is very important for AJE. We say it in Yoruba that ẹran ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ l'AJE ń jẹ lótùfẹ̀. AJE really likes the flesh of Obatala, and everyone prays that AJE come to my home. AJE yale mi wa, AJE wa mi wa, come and sit with me. AJE ogongo meso.
Okay, thank you. Can you also tell us how long you've been a priestess?
Since, it's from birth that.
So it's like from your lineage?
Learning, yes, it's from lineage. Because born into the traditional family, so it's the kind of lineage.
Okay, thank you. And then how many godchildren would you say you have?
There are many.
Okay.
And they are all over.
Okay, can you tell us some of the countries that they're from?
Yes, they are from Australia, United States, Europe, Brazil, and other parts of the the world, I think, and also in Nigeria and Africa as well.
Okay. One last question for you. Now, the men priests usually throw opwele. What do the women priestess throw when they're giving readings?
No, it depends.
Okay.
There are women priestesses that they throw opele as well as ike.
Okay.
Yes, and it's not new thing, not with new generation. It's been like that since a long time. For example, if a priest or if a priest got only female children and he would like to descend the knowledge down to the children, through that it can be possible. And also because I've learned about women using opele for divination.
Okay. And in Obatala, you use the Kori shells.
Yes,
the Aaron...
apart from Ifa using opele, all other Orishas, they use cowries. Every Dilobo, 16 cowries. So all other Orishas.
And how many years would you suggest a priestess to take? I know men say that they've done 15 years of, practicing. So someone who's new, how long would you say they should take? How many years you feel that they should take?
That seems to be a difficult question because it depends on how one can perceive the knowledge. From one person, it differs from another person. The spiritual energy of someone can be of high capacity and for some it can be low, but it depends on the side that Orisha showed to them. For some they can get it fast, some it can be slow, but it depends on. So with this I wouldn't say time, and it depends on how much time the person has, but most important is how Orishas reveals the knowledge to them.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you coming to the festival yesterday too. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you.